Excuse me, what does International Women's Day mean to you?
International Women's Day.
Hello, how do you see women in your life?
A few moments later.
Hello! As part of the International Women's Day celebration, we've asked a few set of questions to our office folks regarding women in general. We are going to see their responses in this video. You can also participate by sharing your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's get started.
Excuse me,
Yes.
will you leave your job to take care of your in laws or children?
What? Are you kidding? I would rather stay single.
Excuse me, will you leave your job to take care of your in laws or children?
Are you crazy? No way.
Hello, can you manage house chores and career both together?
Yes, I can. It would be great if I can share this with my wife too.
Excuse me,
Yes.
can you manage house chores and career both together?
Why would I? I will be having my wife, right, to manage all of this.
Hello, what would you prioritize, your work or family commitments?
Of course, I prioritize work as that is going to feed me and my family.
Well, that's the response from our men folks. Let us also hear it out from our beautiful ladies.
Can you manage house chores and career both together?
Yes, I happily manage the both. I have a strong desire to achieve something in my career with managing both personal and professional commitments.
Yes, I will manage both because it's my responsibility to take care of my family and work.
I'm a pretty much organized person. I try to balance my house chores and my work together. First, I'll complete my house chores and then I'll complete my work without any disturbances.
I have seen my mom working endlessly at home, catering to all our needs. She never got to have a career, but I'm looking at her. It's not at all easy to manage house, but I'm well prepared to manage both house chores and career in a better way.
Yes, I will manage both because I want to be an independent person.
Yes, for 12 years, I have been managing both my house chores and also career together.
Women do that effortlessly and without complaints, but I would expect my family members to take up equal responsibilities. But if they can't, I would simply hire help.
Managing household chores and career is not just a woman's responsibility. My husband and I are equal partners in taking care of both.
Yes, we need to manage both a household and career, be it man or woman. And luckily for me, I have a very supportive family, so we believe in equal opportunity and we ensure that each one of us have assigned tasks. Every day is different, so the main thing is to be accommodative and to take a chill pill. So yes, we need to look at countries like Japan where they teach life skills at a very young age irrespective of gender.
Will you ever let your career take a back seat and support your spouse in their career?
When my spouse really wants my support, definitely I will help him and pause my career till he leaves because he is the pillar of my house. Without him, we are nothing. And for him, I am his pillar of support.
I will surely support my partner because I'm not degrade myself. We both are succeed in career equally.
Being this generation girl, I will support my life partner and make sure he's successful in his life. Of course, I will expect the same from him as well.
I don't want to be taken for granted. I believe in equality. And I will give up my career only if my spouse is willing to do the same for me when needed.
Definitely, if my spouse needs my help, I will take my career a pause and I will help him until his situation gets better.
Yes, I'll do it for some extent and will support my spouse in his career.
I have done that once, but I won't do that again. I love my financial independence more than anything else.
I believe that you can have the best of both worlds when husband and wife are ready to prioritize their career in a way that neither one of them has to sacrifice.
This question is far too much into the game. With 20 years of work experience already, yes, I'm a type A personality, get bored easily, so I always look for what fuels my passion, me and my spouse, we make time for each other and we make time for our interests.
What would you prioritize, your work or family commitments?
Always my first priority is family. Only if family is happy, then only I can give 100% efforts in work. I believe that if I win in family, definitely I will win in office too.
I prioritize first my family, but that doesn't mean I have give up on my work. I will plan both my personal and professional commitments wisely.
I would prioritize my work and my commitments parallelly. I will explain my family that my work needs the same importance I give to them. So I will never neglect my work for my commitments and vice versa.
My work is my first priority, but that totally depends on situation. Also, family commitments and responsibilities can be fulfilled when I am financially capable.
My priorities are based on the severity of the situation and I decide accordingly.
Instead of leaving my job, I would try to figure out some other option to manage both.
If there's no one else to fulfill family commitments, then I might take some days off from work to get it done. Otherwise, if it's for long term, then I will figure out some other way without letting my work get affected.
Prioritization is the key. Work is already taken care of in our daily routine. As and when needed, a break or leave can be taken to support family needs.
This question is fairly simple. It's always better to keep this simple. Family does come first. And if there's any health emergencies, me and my spouse will always look at figuring out a plan together.
Will you leave your job to take care of your in-laws or children?
My family does not depend on my earnings, but at the same time, I don't compromise my family commitments as well. In that case, leaving my career goal behind.
I would not let go of my job, but at the same time, I won't compromise on my commitments towards in-laws and children.
I will not quit my job for my kids or in-laws until the situation demands for it. I will ensure that my work and my family needs are managed parallelly.
Why would I leave my job? I'm capable to handling everything, and I would always keep situations under control. So there is no need of giving up on everything.
I will mostly try to manage my work by applying for work from home option. If I'm unable to manage, then I might leave my job, but only for a short period.
For me, both are my priorities, but it depends on the situation. What would take the priority over the other?
No, because these days I can easily work from home and take care of my in-laws or children. I won't leave my job.
I may consider hiring domestic help to help me take care of my family needs so that I do not have to give up my career.
I'm thankful to my company bitLabs for ensuring that I'm able to support my family. I believe that my job is what is a means of supporting my nearest and dearest family. So in case of any work emergencies, my family always supports me, and so that I can focus on what needs to get done.
The world becomes a better place when women don't feel the hardships to exist. All the women out there deserves respect, love, affection and happiness. The rise of women is not about the fall of anybody. So let this Women's Day set a milestone of gender equality today for a sustainable tomorrow. bitLabs wishing you a very happy International Women's Day.